Start off by going to flipgrid.com and click on Educator Login. Choose your group that you'd like to start this Flipgrid in. I chose Teacher Tutorials. Click Add a Topic. Create your topic name. For this, I called it Adding Video to Flipgrid. After you name your topic, you can add your prompt. Choose the time that you want your students to be allowed to have to record their response. You'll see here I put 1 minute and 30 seconds. And then video moderation, I always click yes so that I have to review a video before other students can see the work. Come down to media and you can choose whether to upload a video, record a video, add a video through YouTube, or these other 3 options. Once you have connected your iPhone to your computer and given permission for your computer to look at it, just select the video you want and away you go.